Your savings account is on life support. When did you last check every subscription you pay for? Do you even know how many there are? What about that free trial you forgot to cancel? How much slips through before you notice? Are you even tracking this stuff anywhere? Here is what hurts. The average person loses $1,700 a year. That is money vanishing on stuff they forgot they signed up for. Streaming services they never watch. Apps they downloaded once and never opened again. That number could be sitting in your savings right now. Life Admin fixes this in about 2 minutes. You open the app and add every bill. Every subscription goes in one place. It shows you exactly what leaves your account each month. You see the total and finally understand where money goes. Set reminders so nothing sneaks past you again. Cancel the stuff you forgot existed. No paper scattered around your kitchen. No scribbled notes you lose anyway. No spreadsheet you never actually update. Just your phone showing you everything. That stress you carry about money finally gets lighter. You feel in control for the first time in months. Make sure to subscribe now. Drop a like if this helped. Comment what subscription you forgot about. Life Admin is free on the App Store. Download it right now to do it.